Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how Tron Chain is the best investment opportunity. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Ever since Tron TRX entered the crypto market in 2017, it's had one of the most vocal followings in the sector. This coin leveraged this community support and its unique technical aspects to become one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world in terms of market cap. More impressively is the fact that it only took Tron 2 years to accomplish this task. What is Tron TRX? Tron is a decentralized virtual machine that was built to help usher in the decentralized internet. Similarly to Ethereum, Tron enables dApp developers to create and utilize complex protocols via smart contracts that live on its native blockchain. Today the platform is best known for its transaction speeds and its lively CEO. Specifically, the platform is capable of 2,000 transactions per second. This performance puts TRX on par with major payment processors such as PayPal. Best of all, Tron has zero transaction fees. You can send $1 million in TRX to anywhere in the world in seconds, and never have to pay a fee. To grasp the monumental task Tron's developers seek to take on, it's crucial to understand a little about the decentralized internet. The decentralized internet differs from the internet you are used to in some key ways. Primarily, there are no hosting companies. Instead, the entire internet is run by personal users. Until recently, the concept of a decentralized web seemed impossible. The computing power of the world was not up to par yet. However, the transparent nature of blockchain networks makes them ideal for just such a task. This is exactly the role Tron seeks to obtain. History of Tron TRX. The history of Tron begins in early 2017. At that time, the firm's CEO Justin Sun officially launched the Singapore-based non-profit organization known today as the Tron Foundation. The mission of this organization was to build the infrastructure for a decentralized internet, and provide a democratic system to manage the new network. Notably, Sun isn't a stranger to the fintech sector. For one, he is a protege of Alibaba founder, Jack Ma. Amazingly, he graduated from Mazhupan University, and within months made his way onto Forbes' China 30 Under 30, and Asia 30 Under 30 lists. Keenly, prior to the introduction of Tron, Sun had already made a name for himself in the blockchain sector. For example, Sun was Ripple's chief representative in the Greater China area. This position put him in contact with the network of people he would one day need to make the Tron concept a reality. He also founded a hugely popular live streaming app called Peiwo. Currently, the app has over 10 million users throughout China. Even more impressive is the fact that Sun integrated Tron into Peiwo only months after the acquisition. This integration helped boost Tron's position in the region. Additionally, the strategy expanded Tron's active user base significantly. Tron TRX ICO raise. Tron's launch was a big deal. The 2017 Tron Foundation ICO raised $70 million to further development of the Tron ecosystem. During the event, investors received TRX tokens in exchange for their BTC or ETH. At the time of the sale, TRX tokens had a market value of just $0.0019. TRX tokens are the utility tokens issued by the Tron Foundation, as a medium currency for all TRC-based tokens. These tokens reside in the mainnet and they facilitate easy transactions across the blockchain. By 2018, Sun had pushed Tron into the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. This success gave the platform's developers the resources, experience, and motivation to launch their own blockchain. This decision allowed Tron to migrate the platform from ERC-20 tokens, that reside on the Ethereum network, over to TRX tokens that utilize Tron's native protocol. Delegated Proof of Stake (DPoS). The Tron network relies on a Delegated Proof of Stake (DPoS) consensus mechanism to secure the blockchain. A DPoS is similar to a Proof of Stake consensus mechanism in that it allows users to earn passive income whenever they stake their holdings in a network wallet. Staking. Tron TRX staking serves a couple of crucial purposes. For one, it allows users to earn passive income. Mainly, it keeps the network safe. In the TRX ecosystem, users stake their TRX at a 1-to-1 ratio. The more they stake, the more Tron power they earn. Tron power is vital within the Tron network. For one, it's what the community uses to vote for super representatives. Notably, after 3 days, a user can choose to convert their Tron power into TRX. DPoS versus PoS. Unlike a PoS system, in a DPoS system, only elected nodes can approve blocks of transactions. In the Tron ecosystem, the community elects 27 super representatives every 6 hours for this vital task. These representatives are chosen by the community of users staking their TRX. Notably, the entire process is run by a DAO. Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO), DAOs continue to be a popular form of decentralized management in the sector. Think of a DAO as a series of smart contracts that nodes can vote on to determine the next course of action for the organization. DAOs provide the community with a decentralized and democratic way to develop platforms based on community guidelines. BitTorrent. In July 2018, the Tron Foundation again made headlines. This time the news was that Tron purchased the largest peer-to-peer file-sharing network in the world, BitTorrent. File-sharing platforms like BitTorrent were the first forms of decentralized networks in existence. In essence, these platforms laid the foundation for blockchain technology years in advance. Tron Foundation. The Tron Foundation is a non-profit organization that focuses on expanding the use case scenarios for TRX and the Tron protocol. Today, TRX operates on one of the largest decentralized networks in the world. Additionally, the entire Tron protocol is open source. Open source platforms are more secure, because they allow the community to test the code's wherewithal. Where to buy Tron TRX? While you can't just go to your local gas station and grab some TRX just yet, it's still easy to attain this futuristic token. Thankfully, Tron is available on some of the largest exchanges in the world. One of the easiest ways to get TRX tokens is through the Binance exchange. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of market cap. The platform currently offers a variety of TRX trading pairs including BTC TRX. As with most altcoins, you will need to first convert your fiat currency over to BTC or ETH. Once you complete this task, it only takes a click of the mouse to convert BTC to TRX. How to store Tron? There are two main ways to store your TRX tokens. Each has its own benefits and risks to consider. If you are new to the crypto space, and only plan to purchase a small amount of TRX, a mobile wallet will suit you fine. The Tron Wallet dApp is available for free on iOS and Android devices. Mobile wallets. The upside of a mobile wallet is that it's easy to use, and provides you with instant access to your cryptocurrency. The downside is that it's more prone to hacks and scamsters. Remember, your mobile wallet is always online, therefore, it's always at risk. Hardware wallet. If you plan to hold larger bags of TRX, or you are just more concerned about your crypto's safety, a hardware wallet is a smart choice. Companies such as Ledger provide reliable and portable hardware wallets for reasonable rates. Hardware wallets are more secure than mobile wallets because they keep your crypto offline. This strategy is also known as cold storage. The downside to these devices is that they are physical. They must be protected from real-world risks such as theft and fire. Also, these units can cost over $100, making them not a great option for someone new to the market. Tron continues to find its way into the crypto headlines on a regular basis. From its CEO eating lunch with Warren Buffett to the launch of a new DeFi platform, this project continues to capture the imagination and hearts of crypto users around the world. For now, it's exciting to see what this creative team of developers has up their sleeve next. What do you think of our video? Are you going to invest in it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.